Assalamualaikum, salam sejahtera to those who is watching this video. In this video, we are going to give you guys a presentation about vectors and scalar in Carpentry, DBM10013, Engineering Mathematics 1. My name is Isma'Izz bin Azizan. My metric number is 01BTK23F1005.
Hello, my name is Damir Zail bin Nazmi. My matrix number is 01DTK23F1007 from class DTK 1A.
My name is Muhammad Akmal Harid bin Azman and my matric number is 01DPK23F1017.
Hi, my name is Danish Mukris bin Muhammad Kamrul Zaman. My matrix number is 01DTK23400128.
Vector. Vector quantity have both magnitude and direction. Vector quantity also can be 1, 2 and 3 dimension. Any change in vector quantity can reflect either change in direction or a change in magnitude or changes in both. For example, displacement, velocity, acceleration and force. Scalar. Scalar quantity has magnitude but no direction. Every vector quantity is one dimension. Any change in scalar quantity is the reflection of the change in magnitude. For example, speed, length, area, volume, and time. Application of vector and scalar in carpentry. The vector and scalar is used extensively in carpentry and construction. Almost every carpentry project involves some combination of squares and triangles. Vectors in carpentry can be applied when determining the direction and magnitude of forces, like determine the direction to apply pressure when cutting wood. Then scalars find application in management, such as specifying the length, width, or thickness of materials. Both concepts help carpenters plan and execute tasks with precision, ensuring accurate and efficient woodworking.
Question 1. Kaha works as a wooden roof installer and at the same time he is also a timber truck driver. He always delivers timber supplies to the house construction site, which is C. Normally, he would take the road from A to B and then C, but he recently found out that there is another new road that is closer to C. Given that AB is 6I plus 4J minus 9K and BC is 3I plus 3J plus 11K. Find vector AC. Vector AC is equal to vector AB plus vector BC. So, we just collect the data that given from the question, which is AB is equal to 6I plus 4J minus 9K and BC is 3I plus 3J plus 11K. Next, we will calculate it and plus it normally. So 6I plus with 3I, we will get 9I. Then positive 4J will plus with 3J, then you will get 7J. And then lastly, negative 9K plus with 11K, then you will get negative 20K. So vector AC is 9I plus 7J negative 20K.
A carpenter wants to draft and draw a plan of a heaped wood roof in figure 1 on graph paper. Given that A equals negative 4, 1, 3 and B equals to 3, 4, 9 and C equals to 3, 4 and negative 5. So he wants to know the angle between vector AB and vector AC. So the basic formula to find an angle is vector AB and magnitude AB cos theta. Cos theta equal vector AB over magnitude AB. Formula to find magnitude is magnitude A equals square root x square plus y square plus z square, or magnitude A equals square root I square plus j square plus k square.
So first step, we must find AB plus AC. So we use the formula AB equals to AO plus OB. We change AO to negative OA plus OB equals to negative 4 1 3 plus 3 4 9, and that is equals to 4 negative 4 negative 3 plus 3 4 9. Our last number is 736. AC equals to AO plus OC, and we change AO to negative OA plus OC. Putting the numbers given, negative 4 1 3 plus 3 4 negative 5, and then we get the last number is 7 3 negative 8. So for the second step, we must find AB times AC. Use the formula AB times BC, put in all the numbers we just got, which is 76 times 7 3 negative 8. So we get a final number of 10. So for step 3, or the final step, we must find the magnitude of AB and AC. The magnitude of AB equals to square root 7 square plus 3 square plus 6 square. The answer is 94 square. For AC equals to square root 7 square plus 3 square plus negative 8 square. And we get 122 square root. And after that, we must find the angle. We use the formula cos theta equals to AB times AC over magnitude of AB times AC. Put in the numbers, cos theta equals to 10 over 24 square root times 122 square root. That is equals to 0.0934. And then we must find the angle, which is the theta. So we remove the cos to cos negative 1 times 0.0934. And the final answer that we will get is 84.64 degrees. That is all from me. We will move on to the conclusion.
In conclusion, we found that vectors and scalars can be used in many sections, especially for our main title, which is Carpentry. The main reason we said that is really helpful because can help in calculating many things that related to the carpentry. For example, carpenters can measure the angle, magnitude or the area in a triangle roof. Then we also can conclude that without vector and scalar in our life would be a little bit difficult. So by applying vectors and scalar in daily life, it can help solve the problem in every situation. For carpenters, understanding vector and scalars helps in accurately planning and executing carpentry project. Thank you.